I'm playing murder, and then right now you see that I'm not murderer. So let me just try to find someone. Kevin Poole, hi. Yeah.
Are we all here?
Yeah.
Someone just lagged in the game.
Yeah, I'm here with Electricgray Wolf again.
Hi.
Yeah, he's somewhere else across, so you can hardly hear him. He said hi though.
Who's murderers?
I have a gun.
I saw you.
Someone was just lagging. What's your name?
I'm Electricgray Wolf.
Oh, fudge. I saw someone. I know who's murderer.
Who?
What's his name? Player 7082. His name tag is yellow, and he's right by where I died. And I have a gun where I died. So basically where you saw me, I went up and then he followed me. And I tried to shoot, but I couldn't aim. I was just too horrible at aiming, so yeah. It's already been a minute, come on. I just started recording, it's already been a minute. It's about to be 2 minutes actually. Okay, now he's gone. He went to the other side of where I was. Now he went to exactly where I was. It's behind you guys. Did you die?
Yeah.
You had a gun, huh?
Yeah, I had it and then I just died.
Yeah, he killed you right there. I saw you die. I'm having me following him.
There's still some people left.
I'm gonna put I see
I feel like there's a
killer
person in the box.
Ah. Hey, I know people get those glitches where you can go in the box.
No, they're hacking.
I just said something. I see killer. Kill him. Someone knows it's not Hot Boy. It's player 7082. What was it? 7082, huh? Yeah. It is.
Do you see the other person?
Okay.
I was killer. I didn't see him. What the heck? Where'd he come from?
No, so you were player 7086.
I was the murderer, and I'm murderer again. Not fake name.
Let me see if I'm murderer. Woo! I'm getting today. And who's gonna get knifed? I'm Incredible Gaming.
Oh, you should pause the video. Oh, what? Someone killed me? Are you kidding me? I wasn't even a murderer.
Whoa.
You should pause the video every time you die.
I'm in front of murderer. I'll be right back. Oh my god!
You should pause the video every time you die so you don't have to watch other people.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do from now on. I'm running in the halls. This is not good. Oh, I see you're dead. Where's your death? Because I'm right.
That's me.
Yeah, 7082. I see your death.
Here, I'll be right back. I'm gonna change that.
Oh god, murderer. Did I just dodge murderer? Or am I following murderer? I hope I'm not following murderer. Jump! I took a jump out the window.
Oh, geez. Good as I knew. new bit. Good as a new bit. There we go.
Yeah, you're here. You're Electricgray 21.
Yeah.
That's your name tag on Minecraft.
Yeah, Electricgray changed my name from player to now Electricgray Wolf 21.
You mean Electricgray 21?
Yeah. Good as a new. That's my Minecraft name.
Yeah.
Good as a new bit.
What do you think you're doing?
Good as a new bit.
Alien Gamer, that might be killer because he has his hands in a pocket.
So do you.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, he has a sack on the side. Okay, never mind. I see killer. I see killer. I see killer. Oh my god, who's killer? Actually, I want to see who's killer. I will die just to see who's killer. Kevin Pool, you're killer.
I'm gonna take a water break.
Okay.
I am not in a good position right now.
You aren't?
Nope.
Me either. My elbow's hurting.
I'll kill you.
Ah!
The killer is Michael. Alright, you should pause the video now.
Oh, I see Michael. Okay.
Alright, I'm pausing the video now.
Oh my gosh. I did. But an ad just came.
I'm not very comfortable right now.
Me either. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Guys, we're stuck in a closet.
Well, we're not stuck.
The one in the living room. That one has more space. I squished my cookie. I feel the crumb.
You have a cookie?
You're like 2 stories up.
Yeah, I'm 2 stories up above him in the closet.
Okay, wait.
Ah!
Let's try to find each other as soon as I get a comfortable position. There we go.
I know who's killer. I'm running away from him. It's alien something.
Alien Alan Gamer.
Yeah.
Vision the.
Oh, I see you. I was right there in front of you.
Hey.
Since I know who's killer, behind you. Look at this dude. What the? Look at that. Oh my god. He looks so buff. I wanted to see his name. If I could just see his name.
I was like running away.
I was like, OMG. His name is...
Alan Gamer is not the murderer because he had the gun, so that's. It can't
I know he's not murderer.
So why'd you say it was him? Yes, but you're killer. Ray. Oh, someone's calling me. What? What?
I want to see if I can change my skin like that, because that'll be perfect. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I should have never deleted it from way back then. When are we going to stop this video? 15 minutes?
20.
Okay.
How many minutes has it been now?
8.
Make it 25.
Okay. I'll make it 20, actually.
Make it as long as the Minecraft video.
That was half an hour. I'm not going to be playing this for half an hour, dude.
Yeah, because not that much stuff.
That was like 33 minutes.
I'm right behind you. Let's just follow these people. If I stab someone, then we just run. So,
Did you just die?
no. Okay, so how's everyone's day at work? I mean, it's like day, isn't it? No, everyone left me. No.
I see a gun, God. Oh my god. Alan Gamer tried to shoot me. Everyone's getting away. You see him?
No. Just kidding.
Oh my god, I hit my head on the ceiling. I cracked my neck. Ugh. Just watch my video, it's like, ugh. Ugh. Oh.
I saw a killer. Well, there's no killer. Tell us.
Good.
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 Good as a little bit. If you really want some, you can.
Yeah, Ray has this thing with singing. I should record him singing. Oh my god, just move. Dude, it's falling. It's falling. It's falling. I'm just kidding.
You tricked me for like 1 second. Oh, man. Oh, I thought I died.
Ah,
I wasn't moving for a second.
shoot me, Alien Gamer. I'm running away, though. Island Gamer, not Alien.
Someone's Oh.
What the? Who killed me?
Ah.
Someone killed me.
Oh my gosh, someone died.
Someone killed me and I won. And they won. I'm a bystander.
Were you a murderer?
No, I was bystander. Look at my thing.
Did you have a knife?
No. I was a bystander with nothing.
I'm surrounded by cookie crumbs. What does that mean?
It means you smashed a cookie and you're just stuck like that.
I'm a murderer.
I'm not gonna open the door for
I'm
you.
a murderer, I'll tell you that.
Okay. Kill me now.
I'm just kidding, I'm not killer.
Ah! I think I'm gonna faint.
There are a bunch of people.
The closet is the only quiet place.
Oh my gosh, there are a bunch of people where I am. I'm afraid he's killer because he's the only one left. Oh my gosh, how'd they do that? They're molded into the wall. Look, someone killed me!
Ugh, that's gross.
Oh, I know who it is. I know who it is.
Please tell me. Or please tell.
I can't see their name. It's either Hot Boys or
I'm right by Alan Gamer.
it's either Hot Boys or Raven.
The Halloweener?
Yeah, I think it's Raven.
Me too.
Both stuck in there now.
Oh my god, it's definitely not Kevin Poole, because he just shot me.
Yeah, so it's definitely they're both stuck. So the game.
It wasn't me, because someone just shot me and I was a killer.
Let's join another server because they're stuck like this.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we joined a new server, and Boss Bob is right in front of me right now, because I'm spectating.
I see.
I'm going to put hello. Oops, I put pause. Resume.
Skylar the Third. Talking to you. I'm sorry, guys. I just have to see this part real
Hello. Hello.
quick. Good as a new bed. Good as a new bed. We can fix the magic. I think you need it. Why are you crying? I'll do you, baby. We can fix the love. I think that we should.
Hey.
I think that we should. I think that we go to bed, go even if you could go to bed. It's the best you ever had. That is a new good.
You can't put hello.
What?
You can't put hello.
Oh yeah, it counts that as a bad word for some reason.
Yeah, it counts it as.
Bad is a new good. Bad is a new good. Try to fix it, I don't know, but you should do it. I do not like this. I think it's really.
Blah.
I think it's really crazy. I think it's really crazy. Call it bad, call it good, call it even if you could. Call it good, call it bad. It's the worst you ever had.
People need to learn how to change their names instead of. I'm in front of Silver. Silver's just hiding behind a wall.
Yeah, some people can glitch in this game. Oh, wait. Oh man, why couldn't I become the service minister?
Who?
I'm having a really bad wedgie because I'm in here.
Okay, I'm not gonna open the door for you.
It's like,
Oh god! There's a nail right between my legs right now.
oh man, I'm stuck like this little wedgie.
I can't move. There's a nail between my legs.
Okay, I'm gonna sing this little part one more time and then we'll see.
Okay. Oh. Okay, I got it.
Good is it bad? Good is
Oh.
a new bad.
Oh yeah, put Ola instead because we can't put hello.
Oh yeah. Good is a new bad. Good is a new bad. We can fix the matter.
Someone just put Ola, so that's why I knew. Because we can't put hello, so Ola. Ola.
Wait, it's a video pause?
Yeah. I know.
Pause it! We're doing nothing. Thanos is killer.
Oh my god, Vanos is killer?
Yeah.
I've been watching him.
No, guys, you idiots. It's Venom.
Someone's in the box. Right, I unpaused recording. Jordan disconnected.
You want to join another server?
Nah. People keep disconnecting.
Murderers win. Hey!
I was going for murderers. You mostly go for bystanders because there's more of them. But they're so stupid they can't even realize.
I'm glitching.
Where's Murderer? Murderer wins, and I just... Can you start a new game, please?